Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about weather.
Sunny. Sunny.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny. It's sunny.
Cloudy. Cloudy.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy. It's cloudy.
Windy. Windy.
What's the weather like?
It's windy. It's windy.
Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy.
What's the weather like?
It's partly cloudy. It's partly cloudy.
Overcast. Overcast.
What's the weather like?
It's overcast. It's overcast.
Foggy. Foggy.
What's the weather like?
It's foggy. It's foggy.
Rainy. Rainy.
What's the weather like?
It's rainy. It's rainy.
Hailing. Hailing.
What's the weather like?
It's hailing. It's hailing.
Stormy. Stormy.
What's the weather like?
It's stormy. It's stormy.
Snowy. Snowy.
What's the weather like?
It's snowy. It's snowy.
Blizzard. Blizzard.
What's the weather like?
It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard.
Rainbow. Rainbow. There's a rainbow. There's a rainbow.
Tornado. Tornado. There's a tornado. There's a tornado. Flood. Flood. There's a flood. There's a flood.
Landslide. Landslide. There's a landslide. There's a landslide.
Drought. Drought. There's a drought. There's a drought.
Hot. Hot.
What's the weather like?
It's hot. It's hot.
Cold. Cold.
What's the weather like?
It's cold. It's cold.
Warm. Warm.
What's the weather like?
It's warm. It's warm.
Cool. Cool.
What's the weather like?
It's cool. It's cool.
Winter. Winter.
Which season is it?
It's winter. It's winter.
Spring. Spring.
Which season is it?
It's spring. It's spring.
Summer. Summer.
Which season is it?
It's summer. It's summer.
Autumn. Autumn.
Which season is it?
It's autumn. It's autumn.
You did a great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more. Goodbye.